At 1018 Central Avenue in Metairie, Louisiana, we have a 3,000 square foot, what we call white box space because it's all sheetrock, but otherwise it is left unfinished, ready for us to customize for the tenant's needs. Looking down this hallway, you can enter into the left side here, which is 1,000 square feet, and on the right side of those columns, it's about 1,500 square feet. The remaining 500 square feet, what I'm getting ready to show here, is going to be the dinette and the shared bathroom area. It has a men's and a women's bathroom area, separate bathrooms, of course. All of this is depending on what the tenant's needs are. So we'd be happy to show you this space. If you are interested, you can call me on my cell, 504-812-9076. Thank you.